Hi traders, and welcome to this short video on how to use Xmanager and its functions. Xmanager allows all your trades and accounts to be managed within the TradeView X Cloud. No more timely setting up platforms on VPS servers. Now you have everything at the click of a button within the one platform. Firstly, open the builder and select the algo that you would like to start running. And at the top right of the builder is the blue symbol, which will push the algo directly to Xmanager. Select your account, trading symbol, and time frame, then press Done. It's that simple. You can now keep all your algos, settings, and trades all in the one place. Control your trades anywhere, anytime, and from any device: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Get started today and experience the difference with Xmanager Cloud Trading. Thank you for choosing TradeView X.